Hi, my name is Danielle Wolf, and I'm presenting a couple slides on our group that we chose, Women Reentering the Workplace. The slides that I have is the plan to promote and deliver services, as well as evaluation of the program as a whole. So the first slide I'm going to talk about is how we are going to deliver and promote our services for women reentering the workplace. So the first point that I have is program design. So you want to make sure that you as a company has a program designed to help women re-entering the workplace. Um, so you would want to submit the design of the program to a committee or a group of people that are partnering with you and this program, just to see if there's anything that needs to be added, or um, any other information that needs to be addressed with the program. Secondly, you would want an outline of the program. So the services that you offer, speak about the program, and letting this group of people know what services you offer and why this would be helpful for women re-entering the workplace. Um, Third is asking others for input and improvement. So that could be your coworkers, the people on the board or committee that you're submitting this to. After giving the outline of the program and what is listed for what's listed to be offered for women re-entering the workplace, such as resume writing or a technical workshop, how to work computers, how to apply for jobs online. Some of these women might have been out of work for a while and haven't been up to date on the technology advancement that we have now and how everything is moving towards electronically and instead of paper. So just submitting those programs to the committee and asking for input or improvement on the programs that are being offered is a good way to get input and comments back on the program before it fully launches. Lastly, it would be a good idea to do a pilot run of the program before it fully launches into the public. So doing a test run of everything that is being offered, so that you kind of have an idea on how it's going to go and what is going to work and what's not going to work. Women re-entering the workplace delivery. So a way to promote and deliver our services is doing table talks. So the best way to promote a service is word of mouth. So advertising products to potential clients, partnering with some career counseling clinics, letting them know what the program's about and what we are offering in the program for their potential clients or for their clients, handing out informational folders or flyers and just things bullet pointing what services we offer in the program and how it would be beneficial for them to promote your services to their clients. Lastly is the evaluation of the program. This is an important part of evaluating a business and seeing if it's working, and the pros and cons, and what we need to implement or improve within the program. So a good way to set an evaluation is this program helping clients achieve the objectives that were set? So the goals, is it being effective in finding work for clients or within the client's workplace? Another evaluation would be evaluating the service for improvement. Where are we able to improve our products or our programs that we're offering to better serve our clients? So it's good to evaluate these things so we as a service can determine what needs to be revised and what needs to be re-implemented within the program. Also, another way to evaluate the program and its benefits is the effectiveness and results of the program. Is the program being beneficial to the clients? Are the clients learning and improving on how they present themselves with reentering the workplace, or are the clients being provided with the tools to be set up for success? The outcome, which leads me to the outcome and delivery of the program. So, is this program improving career satisfaction and readiness for a certain demographic, which in this case is women re-entering the workplace? Um, is it improving their chances of feeling comfortable and ready and to re-enter the workplace? Are we giving them skills and um, information to succeed when being placed back into the workplace after being out for so long, rather that being because of being a stay-at-home mom or having a child or anything could happen. You could be taking care of a loved one and not being back to work and need help getting back into that routine of being placed in a job. Um, So that is a little bit of the background on how we would evaluate the program before it's being launched, and also how we would deliver and promote the services that we have. I hope you enjoyed these slides. Thank you for listening.